Which of these flies in the sky? Aeroplane. Which animal gives us milk? Cow. We use our ears to hear. Which is true about the sun? It shines bright. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. Which bird is the fastest runner? Ostrich. From where do we get wood? Trees. Which item is used to carry water from one place to another? Bucket. Which insect has colorful wings? Butterfly. What do we use to see our reflection? Mirror.